Audio Jungle.
हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू इंडियन एविएशन जॉब्स यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरा नाम है नितिन सिंह एंड और एक मैं तड़कती भड़कती इंडिगो की रिक्रूटमेंट फिर से आपके सामने लेके आ गया हूं। बट आप कुछ भी करो उससे पहले इस रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए अगर आप एलिजिबल हो तो प्लीज़ अप्लाई कर दो, और अगर अब तक नहीं अप्लाई किया है तो मेरी पुरानी वीडियोस को जाके देखो, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारी रिक्रूटमेंट्स आती हैं और चली जाती हैं। फिर आप लोग बोलते हो लिंक नहीं काम कर रहा है, ये नहीं हो रहा है। सो गाइज, जैसे ही आप देखो अगर आप एलिजिबल हो तो आपको अप्लाई करना है तुरंत का तुरंत। तो अब मैं आपको ले चल के दिखाऊंगा जो 3 रिक्रूटमेंट्स हैं अभी फ़िलहाल, इनके बारे में हम करेंगे बात। पहली है सिक्योरिटी स्क्रीनर गुवाहाटी, दूसरी है ऑफिसर कस्टमर सर्विस रैम सिक्योरिटी रांची, और तीसरी है दरभंगा एफसेक बेसिक। If we talk about the date is 26th of July and this recruitment has been posted 6 hours prior both, and this is like 7 days old. So first we are going to dig into the Ranchi one. So for Ranchi they are asking graduates from recognized board or university as determined by Indigo. If at any stage prior to the during employment of the candidate found that the requisite qualification is not completed, it means basically they will be terminated if the requirement is not met. Good communication skill, airport operation experience preferred. Preferred doesn't mean that mandatory. No visible tattoo marks body art. Age 18 to 27. Interviewed candidate can reapply after 6 months. And let's come to the main part. Location is Ranchi. Experience is 5 years. 0 to 5 years means like experience also can apply and freshers also can apply. And the terminal business unit is terminal service, and organization is it should be Indigo, but maybe they made a mistake. Salesh sir, अगर आप देख रहे हो तो please anyway. So guys, let me take you through the requirement, which is the most important mandatory requirement. Customer service, good communication, pleasant personality. Nowhere it says that you need the experience. Security, adaptable in all weather conditions. Place of work can be either the terminal or the apron. Apron means the ramp, region of aircraft movement and parking. And for ramp, adequate in all weather conditions. Places of work can be the terminal or apron. Like same. Preferred requirement for customer service, well versed in customer dealing. It doesn't mean preference, doesn't mean mandatory requirement. These are the mandatory requirements and these are the preferable requirement. If you have, you will be given an advantage. For security, basic AppSec screener NCC background. So even if you don't have these two, if you have this, then also good. And if you don't have all of these, then also it's okay. For ramp, load and trim license if you have, and 12th science background. Okay, so these are the preferable requirement. If you have these, they may require. If you have these, they may give you some kind of preference, but it is for the freshers as well. And if I say fresher, it is for the freshers. So guys, and how you can apply, I will take you through this application process. You just have to put your name, last name, email ID, experience and all blah blah blah. It's a small form, not such a big form. So you can put here all the details of your own and then get selected for this. And let's talk about the second one. This is for security screener. So guys, screener is only for the experienced people. If you have any kind of experience and if you are a valid screener, then only you can apply. So if you have all these, if you are a screener, you can come here and fill the data. And the location is Guwahati, and this one is also for the screeners. Okay, so this one is also for the screeners. So if you meet all these criteria, but Ranchi is for the freshers. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit subscribe button. Also like this video and share it with your friends, your family, or whomsoever can be benefited. So see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and